In this video, I'll guide you through how to change email subscription types in HubSpot. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or just trying to keep your communication organized, knowing how to adjust your email subscription settings can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make these changes seamlessly. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. There, you'll find a settings icon that resembles a small gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the settings area where you can make various adjustments to your HubSpot account. On the left sidebar menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Marketing and hover over it. From the drop-down, select Email. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your email communications within HubSpot. Once you're in the email section, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the one that says Subscription Types. This is the hub for everything related to your email subscription preferences. Now, to create a new subscription type, head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Subscription Type. Click on this button to open a new panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In this right panel, you'll begin by selecting a language for your subscription type. There's a drop-down menu labeled Language. Click on it and choose the language that best suits your audience or campaign. If you're dealing with multilingual audiences, this feature can be particularly handy. It ensures that your emails are tailored to the language preferences of your subscribers, enhancing their engagement and understanding. Next, you'll need to give your subscription type a name. This is done in the subscription name field. Choose a name that clearly reflects the nature of the emails associated with this subscription. A clear, descriptive name helps not only you, but also your subscribers to easily identify the type of content they can expect to receive. After naming your subscription type, move on to the description field. Here, you'll provide a brief overview of the types of emails that will be sent under this subscription type. This description should be concise yet informative, giving subscribers a clear idea of what they'll be signing up for. It's always a good practice to be transparent about the content and frequency of emails your subscribers can expect. This helps in setting the right expectations and can improve your email marketing results by attracting genuinely interested subscribers. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed or added a new email subscription type in HubSpot. Remember, managing your email subscriptions effectively can lead to better engagement and a more streamlined communication strategy. If you ever need to tweak or update these settings, just follow these steps again. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.